Are you trying to enable check deposit on Cash App but don't see the option? Don't worry, and in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to turn it on and what to do if it's not available yet. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss an important step. First things first. The check deposit feature isn't automatically available for every user. The most reliable way to unlock it is by verifying your identity. Open your Cash App and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Security and Privacy, then tap Verify Your Information. Follow the prompts carefully. You may need to provide your full legal name, date of birth, and sometimes a photo of your government-issued ID. This process helps prevent fraud and is essential for enabling features like mobile check deposit. Once your identity is verified, check if the deposit option has been activated by going back to your Cash App home screen and looking under the banking tab. If you still don't see the feature, don't worry. There's a second step. Tap the profile icon again, scroll down to Support, and select Contact Us. Choose the chat option and explain that you want to enable check deposit. A Cash App representative can review your account and manually enable the feature if you're eligible. The key takeaway here is that identity verification is the most important step. And if that alone doesn't work, contacting support is the fastest way to get the feature turned on. And that's it. You've just learned how to enable check deposit on Cash App. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out the links in the description for more Cash App tips and troubleshooting guides. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss my next tutorial.